This is your center. This is your center. Should you feel lost, return to center. The ancestors meant it for us, they want better. For us, they want better. How can you reign with your head held down? It will not hold up your crown. I wanna see that frown upside down. Do not let them keep you down. Go on and lift up your crown. You will climb over this mountain, and you will come back around, and we will help you lift up your crown. So you can come back to center. Come back to center. Should you feel lost, return to center. They send bad vibes, but we return to sender, and we find our center.